If you are using ChatGPT only for regular questions, you are likely benefiting from less than 10% of its true capabilities. In this video, I will show you 10 practical uses that will save you many hours of work, study, and content creation. Peace be upon you. This is Adiba Najiha. In this video today, I will show you the literally unexpected capabilities of ChatGPT. Of course, we all know ChatGPT, especially if we already have our own account. We know how we will interact with it. Most people write one question and finish, but the real secret is not in the tool itself, but in how you use this tool. So today, I will show you real examples that you can try directly. The first use is idea generation. Instead of spending hours thinking of a new idea, you can come up with dozens of ideas in seconds. Let's try it together. Give me 20 tech YouTube video ideas that are in demand in Saudi Arabia. As you can see, it will list all the ideas and the essence of the brainstorming that ChatGPT does. Well, ChatGPT can also help you write scripts and drafts for any content you have. But I don't recommend that you copy the result directly because there might be some errors. Still, it's not a human being to know how we write, where to put a comma, or where to put a period, so you need to review it afterward. We will see the result together now. Of course, it will display it for you inside a box like this. This box is called a copy box because as soon as you click on this icon, it will be copied immediately to the notes or any place or any other application. Of course, this script that was written for us can be edited in a way that suits us. Also, if you are a student or an employee, you can summarize any long file you have, especially if it's a PDF file, and quickly extract the main points. Now I attached a PDF file and I will tell him. Extract the main points from this file for me. Of course, it extracted the main points from this file in seconds. One of the strongest uses is that it can simplify complex concepts and explain them at different levels. For example, if we have a student studying diabetes and he doesn't understand anything, he can come here and say, "Explain diabetes to me in a simplified way for a medical student." He will now explain to you in a very simple way what diabetes is. We can also use ChatGPT as a personal tutor to learn languages, practice conversation, and correct any linguistic errors in English or Arabic, or for translation or anything else. So, Sanna Mandela Steinman. We can tell it here that I want you to create a story in Arabic and also translate it to English while preserving the vocabulary, verbs, pronouns, and linguistic aspects. As you can see, it wrote the story for you and also translated it into English. And as I told you, you can modify anything. I also tell you that it can write a message from scratch and create a professional draft in seconds. So if you want to send an email to a company or workplace, or if you want to submit a CV to a government entity, it can help you with that.
Write a professional email to apologize for the delay of a project.
You must give him the details. For example, tell him that my project is such and such at such and such place, or at the company named such and such, so that he can be very precise in writing the commands. He can also organize schedules and plans in a clear and editable way. Create a study plan for 30 days. Of course, as you can see, depending on what materials you have or which class you are in, it will organize the monthly plan for you. Also, if you are a content creator, it can help you by providing titles, ideas, descriptions, hashtags, and keywords, especially if you are a YouTube content creator like me. And based on your channel or what content it offers,
You can tell him to give you 30 attractive and strong titles for YouTube that people search for, and that might bring you many views.
He will give you the top 30 YouTube titles that people search for. And it's not just temporary, no, people will keep searching for them, liking them, and they are very likely to spread. The real value is not in the answers that ChatGPT provides. The real value is that instead of spending 8 hours, you can shorten these 8 hours into 1 or 2 hours, saving you effort and fatigue. So, these were the uses of ChatGPT in 2026. Tell me in the comments which use you like the most, and if you would like me to make a second part with professional commands you can use. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell, because I explain anything technical and anything you are interested in. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Goodbye.